Hello everyone and welcome. It's a Crime Plays Heavy Rain. This is a game that for some reason a lot of people think I've already, done a playthrough of a long time ago. When, in fact, I did play it on my own personal time about 6 years ago. But I never made a proper playthrough of it, though for some reason there's a huge amount of people who think I have. Meaning that I probably should do it so then they aren't as crazy as they seem when they keep telling me, yeah, I spent hours watching your playthrough, when in reality, that's just some kind of hallucination that they had. Yeah, let's get right into the game that it's Heavy Rain. Slowly get up. You look really, pretty awake right now. So, hold that to walk. And then... What? Oh, okay. Oh, that's R2. That's not right stick. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Here you go. Oh. I guess you feel like being naked today. At any time you can listen to what your character thinks. Oh.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Yeah, no one wants to smell your ass. Oh, wasn't that just cute?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
See this? This is a happy marriage. People should, take note of this. This is what they should model their lives after. And birds. That thing probably wakes people up all the damn time when they're trying to sleep. Boys? Oh, they had a teepee in here. You can't do this. Oh, boy. Uh-huh. Oh, man. College was really good. Oh, no. That's why you dropped out. Try it again. There you go. Good job, you. Oh, there's a person in your backyard getting home invaded. Oh, okay, there you go. Alright, fine. One more time. Let's not fuck it up. Alright, go. There you go. You're doing great. Wonderful. Keep it up. Keep up the pace. There. See? You did it. Put him down now. You have a shower to take. Your breath probably smells really bad. There's a little astronaut drawn there. Walking around in your boy's room in your boxer briefs. I will say though, boxer briefs are the way to go. They hug you just right, but it's not too constricting. I think this is the bathroom. It is. What? Wow. You do have a baby face. Oh, good. Well, this is weird. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Come on, gotta get in the back there. That's how you do it? Huh. I was always a make a cup or bowl out of your hands kind of guy with the water. Oh, you're so gonna die. Final destination's gonna happen. Very carefully. The face. Come on. Don't cut yourself. Shaving is much more of a longer process than that, but that's okay. Are we not taking a shower today, or? Oh, okay. Turn your head to see which actions are available. Huh? Attaboy. Ah, yeah. I like this. I mean, normally you brush your teeth after the shower and stuff, but, I mean, hey, you're your own man. Oh, you want to jiggle it? Okay. Have some of that, buddy. Oh, get the back like that? I have never done that before. Oh, what? I am doing it properly. How dare you? Really happy with the artistic blockades of your junk. Come on, pal. Oh,
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Nothing like a refreshing reverb.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
Okay. What you putting on there, pal? Putting on your pants? Oh, you got jeans. Is it because your wife told you I looked so handsome in those? Or is it because they feel comfortable? Maybe a little column A, column B, man.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Ah, you're one of those work-at-home kind of guys. I see. What's this little room here? Ah, the potty. I don't know why you didn't just go in the shower like a normal man would. Don't act like you're better than the rest of us. We've all done it. Huh. Let's go wash your hands, you heathen. Get in there. Wash them. No, you don't. You... Really? You gonna be like that? Okay, wow. Huh. Fine. Enjoy. You probably didn't even shake a little. Disgusting. Wait, what is that art piece on? Whatever. That's fine. We have weird art in our house. It's apparently my birthday today. The character's thoughts change with the situation. Oh.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
I mean, maybe if you want, we could go outside. Why are there kids in my lawn? He's like a normal person. Oh man, it looks great outside. I'm gonna go outside today. You go outside, you see other people. Oh, fuck that idea.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Ah, yeah. Hang on though. There was the music? We could do that?
How about some music?
Yeah, let's put on some jams. Alright, there's birthday presents, but that's not a stereo. Here, let's find some actual music here. I'm sure you got a stereo set up somewhere. I mean, you also have this. That was well worth your time and effort, pal. Fine. We'll just, you know, grab some OJ. There you go. You have 3 cartons of orange juice? You really like orange juice. Huh? I'm sorry. Oh. Huh? You want some? There you go. Okay. Alright, here you go. Here you go. Here. No. You're supposed to actually drink it this time. That time I wasn't supposed to be fucking with you. There you go. Chug that shit, you fucking animal. Jason's birthday? It's my birthday now. What is this? Oh, coffee. Okay. No. What are you doing, dude? Dude, don't. No. You gotta put cream in that. Don't. Oh, you're disgusting. Oh, it's a cappuccino. Never mind. My bad. Rich people stuff. Guys walking around stealing everything. You probably don't even live here. God. Alright. Well, I suppose I can go outside.
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Well, I'm gonna go frolic in the garden. Maybe not. Here I am. Come to me. Wow. He must have learned that from his Japanese animes. Would you like to go on the slide? Or are you too big of a boy to go on the slide? Probably. You know what? I wouldn't be surprised. That's gonna go into a neighbor's yard sometime soon. We should probably go take it before someone forgets it's over here and then it gets lost in the rain and then gets ruined. Man, I'm good at this. This should be my new hobby. Oh. Wait, how did I... What? I'm a wizard!
Hey, take it easy, you're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old, that's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
I'll take it. Huh? Oh, sorry. I didn't get a good angle. I got you now, though. You're welcome, boo. Mwah. Here it goes.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day, then? Managed to get any work done?
Fuck no.
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the clients next month.
Hello, boys.
Hey, Dad, are you gonna come and play with us, please? Come on!
Okay.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first! No, me first!
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Well... You're the birthday boy.
Me first! Me
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
I'm gonna spin. This is really awkward. There we go. Atta boy. This is bonding.
It's my turn now, it's my turn!
Yeah, I got you, kid. But this isn't what I was... I mean, alright. What are we doing today?
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Oh, man. You could die. Oh my god, don't put me in charge of this. Don't put me in charge of this. I can't really turn you. I can't turn, kid. You're fucked. Oh, I turned the controller like that. Okay. I thought that was just balancing. Hey, kid. Having fun on your birthday, not you. Later, nerd. He looks so sad. Alright, let's get down before you wipe out.
Come on, Dad, show us how strong you are! Big muscles!
Oh, hell yeah, I'm buff as hell.
Be careful, hang on.
Let's go, boys. For action scoring, press it repeatedly. Alright. Come on, kids! Oh. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I can do this all day.
Oh.
Oh, we doing this? I practiced before you even got home.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason! Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out! Oh! Attack! Whoa!
You know what? I'll give it to you.
Whoa!
It's your birthday, I'm gonna let you have this, kid. Take the win. Take the win. It's all you, boy. You deserve this.
Hoya, Jason!
Oh, you got me.
Yeah, good! Watch out! Yeah!
I can't. He's so strong.
Go, Jason! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah, good! Yeah! Whoa! Yo! Yeah! I got you. Yeah! Yeah! Ha! Ha!
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
We're coming!
I probably just lost the respect of my children. Who cares? They're kids. They'll forget about this in 2 weeks anyway.
Sean?
So,
Lunch is ready.
huh?
I'll go get him.
Where the hell that kid go? What? What did he run off to? He just ran upstairs? She's like, he went past the table to do this. Does he have to go to the bathroom? Kid, are you in the potty or what? He's probably in his room. Oh, what are you doing?
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
What?
He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
But he was just fine like 10 minutes minutes ago. What did you do to the bird?
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, he won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Here we go.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Hey, Jason?
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I'd really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ! What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Later, man. Wait,
Change.
crap. This kid.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
Son of a bitch.
Jason! Jason!
Where the hell?
Jason! Jason!
Kid?
Jason! Quick, I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
God. Can you run?
Jason! 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 Jason!
Oh my god, this kid.
Jason! Jason!
That's not the Jason balloon.
Jason!
God damn it.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
That's not him.
Jason! Jason!
Why are kids such a pain?
Jason! Hey man, watch it! Jason! Jason! Hey man, watch where you're going! Jason, gosh, you really had me scared there. Hey man, watch where you're going! Jason! Jason! Jason!
Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. Wrong. No. Go. Go. You have a child.
Jason!
Come on.
Hey, watch it! Hey, what's the matter with you?
Jason!
Go. Why are you people doing this to me?
Jason! Jason!